Wala,
muna,
wala.
wag muna. Ayan nyo lang
Pero di
sila.
ba paki-spam Banes, magbayad ka na ng utang mo, ganun.
Okay, okay.
Paki-spam
Ayun na
ko
si...
yan
Gaki. Ito ba yung makamount up? Hindi
Banes,
ma-mount up.
Hindi,
magbayad ka
hindi
na
tayo
ng utang.
nakakapag-mount up eh.
Hold up.
Oh, nandyan nga si Bani, oh. Si Mage nandyan din. Si Muy.
Sige. Okay, pwede na kayo mag-ano.
Si Coco, nandito rin si Coco.
Tara. Ito yung old
Yung
na
blood.
arena, di ba?
Oo.
Ayun,
Ay, gagi si Rice. GG.
Southeast
Eh,
tayo, boy.
tangin ang pangit ng map.
Kaya nga, hindi makamount up eh. Tara. Walk.
Tangin na choke fight to.
Naka-healer si ano. Sige lang. Go lang
May
yan.
spectator si Alu.
Sim.
Ganda niyan
putik choke to. Choke lahat to.
Oh, ang pangit itong map. Ano to? Gitna tayo. Gitna
Gagi,
tayo.
tatlo Arvin na brawling. Rolling. Then, Miss
Oo.
Preservably just to make your health na hindi kayo makakapag-heal. Then,
Spread na, spread.
Bobrawl din tayo.
no, one shot.
Marami kang...
One shot lang, one shot brawl.
Saan dito ako?
If
Sa
I
northwest,
fail,
sa northwest.
Okay, watch out. Fake engage now. Yung golem, isang golem. Bobrawl sila. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Okay, hold them northwest, hold them northwest, hold them northwest, hold them northwest on the choke. Ready? We're gonna counter northwest on the choke. Ready? Ready? In 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. Ito shallow, shallow lang, shallow lang, shallow lang, shallow lang, shallow lang, shallow lang. Mukbangin nyo yan. Okay, keep pushing, full push, full push. Asan yung mga execute natin? Full push, full push, full push, full push, full push. Walk in northwest, walk in northwest, walk in northwest, walk in northwest, walk in northwest. Walk in northwest, where are you my people? Where are you my people? Walk in northwest, brawl them up, walk in northwest, walk in northwest. Walk in northwest, walk in northwest, walk in northwest. We get 9 second cooldown, walk in northwest, heal up front, heal up front. My tank, CC them, my tank, CC them, heal up front, heal up front, heal up front, heal up front, heal up front. Walk in northeast, be ready. We're gonna clap in hard in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. Look at the big clump, pretty shallow, not shallow. Look at this big clump, pretty shallow, not shallow. Big clump, big clump, big clump. White, rape them all, walk in northeast. Keep pushing. No GG scored, keep killing. No GG scored, keep killing. Walk in northeast. Okay, nag-call na ng GG. Move back. Good job.
May nagpo-forward
Good job. Patayin niyo itong nagbobrol pa rin.
Oy, stop hitting guys.
Stop hitting.
Hindi, pag pinupo kayo, focus nyo rin.
Yeah, come. Watch out, come. Good job. Who was the morning star earlier? Good job on holding them. Good job. Boys, huwag kayo matakot ha. If you needed to blink, if I'm calling to push now, if you're still far, just blink it. Okay, huwag kayo matakot mag-blink. Yeah, we go deeper.
Kunin mo yung point of Alu ng caller.
Na
Kunin
ano
mo
ko
yung
eh.
point of...
Hindi ko nga alam kung saan eh. HOJ yung si Asum eh.
Spread masyado yung party, ah.
Guys.
Okay.
Okay, yung caller, hindi caller, oh.
Oy, follow. Dito.
Kalista, winit.
Ito na. Okay. Sige, go.
They're going
Watch out northwest. Can some brawlers rotate on their backline? Now? Be fast on the other stairs. Watch out, they're looking. Heal up front. They're engaging. Okay, walk in southwest. We're gonna engage shallow west, okay? In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, 1. Shallow west. Look at the clock. Shallow west. Look at the clock. Nice fucking job. Walk in. Big balls, walk in. Big balls, keep rolling. Heal up front. Walk in. We got 16 second cooldown. Walk in. Wag na kayo maiwan dyan. Walk in northeast. Walk in, watch out, engaging. Walk in northeast. We're gonna clap them hard 6 seconds. Walk in northeast. We're gonna finish them off in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, 1. On the choke northeast. Wipe the stairs. Wipe them.
Punish
Go,
them,
keep
punish
pushing.
them oh. Punish
Yeah,
them, meron
keep
sa likod.
rolling. Huwag ka natakot. Keep rolling. Di pa nag-call ang GG. Keep rolling. Healer. They're looking ha. They're looking. They're engaging.
GG daw.
Come back. Nice. Good job, boys. Good job. Oo.
Pes, i-punish mo yung mga naiiwan, di mo pinapunish.
Papatayin ko yan next.
May mga brawler sa likod lagi.
Sige. Try. Sige. Papasukin natin yung brawler. Tapos yung brawler engage natin. Tapos yung mga tanks, yun na yung healer. Huwag niyo iwanan yung tanks sa front line.
Ayun ito. Kulang nito.
Papasukin. Ipanish na guys. 3, 2, 1. Clap him. Ito. Yung brawler. Patayin mo. Sige, dropan nyo ng damage ko eh. Watch out ha. They're engaging. Defensive.
Ay,
Sila
shit,
front,
patay
sila
ako.
front.
Patay doon.
Gagi. Nalamok tayo doon. Kahit pa.
GG na, GG.
Kahit pa.
You can call GG if you want.
GG na kayo. GG. Ang dami na wala. Try hold nyo lang sila pag ano. Ano yung trash talk nila? Namatay pa, gago.
Ha? Ano mo tinatrash talk nila? Bane, 1-1. That's all.
Group pala kayo eh.
Wow! Putik ka mali.
Coming from them.
Camping.
Eh, gago, walang daan dito.
Yeah,
Ay, wala lang to.
that's dead then.
Tangin na kasi, dapat.
Tingin lang kayo sa live ko kung gusto niyo kung nakikita.
Dito tayo.
They're still on the
Asan
same
si-
choke. Same choke.
Asa si Muki?
Same
Asa
choke.
si Muki?
Mokya. Kaya ata si Mokya.
Pushing up na sila.
Come.
Pushing up.
Sige.
Wala pa yung iba. Masyado pa malayo yung iba. Lubungan
Wala.
mo kaya, Pes.
Sige,
Para
okay lang.
mag-group tayo mabilis.
Etis. Try natin sila sa gitna i-fight. Okay? Watch out defensive on my west, please. Tanks on my west.
Oh, nawala si
Tama.
Mokya.
Lily Boy, can you engage west? Ready? Lily Boy, take engage west on the choke. Lily Boy. Gigi, pasok kayo. Walk in. Give, punish nyo yung tao sa loob natin. Punish nyo yan. I-brawl nyo yan sa loob natin. Tanks hold west. Hold them in west. Walk west now. Counter engage west on the choke in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1 big clump. Bagong big clump. Wipe them. West on the choke. West. Keep rolling. Huwag matakot. Push west. Huwag matakot. Push west. May tanks. Chain CC them. Walk west, people. Why are you still on our east? Walk west para mag-atras sila. Walk west. Keep healing. Walk west. Hilap. Ready? Counter engage inside of us. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 inside of us. Gagi, walang nakaano doon, pre. GG.
May brawler sa loob. Yung putangin ng halberd.
Pre, huwag na matakot, pre. I-push natin sila, pre. Kasi after nila engage, wala na yun. Makikilamok lang yun. Paluin natin. Stun natin yung mga healer. Umabandi kayo, pre. Huwag kayong magpaiwan para di mahati yung party natin. Kasi kapag naiwan yung healer natin, yung brawler natin sa harap, walang heal. Nakakawa. Ulit.
Wala si Mokya, wala pala kayo
Okay.
nag-hold.
Huwag kayong magpapahano, pre. Huwag kayong magpaiwan, pre. Mag-push kayo. Huwag kayong magpaiwan. Huwag kayong matakot mag-push.
Andito na Mokya. Ay, nawala si Mokya sa party.
Okay lang yan, basta nakikita.
Andyan lang
Nasa loob siya.
Sige.
Pero hindi ko siya makita. Oh, wala siya dito sa party. Ay, ito ko na.
Nag-brawl pa kayo? Hindi pa kayo nag-aano?
Mag-brawl kayo, pre. Sige, bro.
Kasi-
Walk in. Tanks, huwag kayong mag-stack up sa atin. Watch out. Yung west may tanks. Golem. Fake news them now, please. Brawler, huwag kayong matakot, pre. Healers, kayo. Walk west. Watch out, they're looking at defensive west. Push your GA. Defensive west. Come west. Walk west now. Ready? West in 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. West shallow. Look at this clump. Big clump west. Those are west people.
Oh
Keep
my
pushing,
god,
keep
what's the
pushing,
damage?
keep pushing. Push your damage. Keep pushing. Defensive. Recipa. Lock ka, boy.
Pes, try to engage first. Huwag kang maghintay ng counter.
Hindi, para. Sige. Next time.
Kasi ano, nagdi-dip naman yung mga brawler nila. So, mas madali mo makakapag-clamp.
GG, balik. Pre, stack up kayo masyado ah. Mga healer oh.
Nakahabol na sila sa points.
Ba't pumapatay pa rin sila? Ano pa mga kausap na ba to? May beef tayo nyo to pre? Gago.
E di, pagka nag-ano, pumatay na rin tayo. Sila naman tong magulo kausap eh.
Oo. Patayin din natin.
I think you're losing in a open fight.
Ah, huwag sa open,
Oo.
ano pre.
You lose twice in open fight.
Brawlers
Yun
eh.
naman.
Brawlers
Oo.
kasi.
Try mo i-kite sa choke. Pwede namin ma-hold yung mga nasa
Tara. Sige. Try, kahit natin ah. Kahit team east tayo ah.
I'm going in.
Slowly kahit na kayo. Kahit east na kayo. Sige, nice golem. Kahit east pa. More east. Okay? Okay, more east, okay? Ready? Ready was shallow only in 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. The frontliners. Yung mga harap.
Oh, wala.
Kahit back. Na-GA. Kahit pa. I-kite nyo. Tanks hold them. Hold them sa tank. Hold them a tank. Heal up. Walk in east. Kite east. We're gonna ready. Hold them a bit. Okay, walk west a bit. We got 9-7 seconds cooldown. Walk west a bit. Chain CC them with tanks. Chain CC them. Walk west. We're ready. We're gonna engage northwest in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. North to shallow. Look at this clump. North to shallow. Hit the clump. Kill everyone. Judy on our back line, please. Kill everyone. Okay, watch out. They're engaging. Switch it. Defensive on my west. Keep pushing west. Longbow natin yan. Huwag na i-drop ha kung wala nang tao. Keep pushing west. Spread out a bit. Spread out more. They're engaging. Spread out more. We got 9 second cooldown. Spread out more. Heal on my west. Ready, we're gonna engage northwest in the choke in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1 on the choke. Big clump on the choke. Fight this choke, please. Parang awan nyo na. Ubusin nyo na yan. DPS. Keep pushing. Sige, patayin nyo lahat. Kahit mag-call ng GG, patayin nyo yan. Gabi kayo. Patayin nyo. Ginanyan din tayo. Keep pushing.
Back.
Patayin.
Tama
Gabi kayo.
Ayun
Bakit
na
sila-
idol.
Gigil yung color par, gigil.
Gagi, hindi.
Ah, pinatay pa ako dito sa loob oh. Chichis na.
Spam nyo, Banes, magbayad ka na ng utang.
Nasaan si Rina? Bakit wala si Rina? That's the problem. Wala na yung papatayin, guys.
Sarap kausap eh.
Ay, kanina pa may utang si
Titibulo.
Bani. Loko kayo.
Kaya gato.
Hindi, magbayad ka na ng utang, Banes.
Kasi bakit?
Ay, si Carl ba yun?
Oo, okay yun.
Sabi ni Carl, sabihin ninyo.
Oo, sabihin nyo, magbayad na kama ng utang si Banes.
Spam nyo. Malayo yung party natin.
Oh, go. Kahit
Ah.
Naka-spread tayo.
Find me.
Dali, B.
Come here. On this choke. Come here.
May naliligaw na isa, oh. Ang ganda, oh.
Ako yan. Sisilip ko sila sa likod eh.
Watch out. Ito, ikite nyo sa east. Watch out, hold them northwest. Hold them northwest, my tank. Hold them northwest. Okay, tumalon na yun. Watch out ha. Judy, walk in northwest. Be ready. Look northwest. Ready, on the choke northwest. Ready. Walk in northwest in 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1 northwest. On this clump. Look at this clump. Northwest. Watch out up front. They're engaging as well. Defensive. Full gigapat. Okay? Kahit patayin nyo yung tao sa loob natin. Kill them all. Watch out my tanks. Hold them now. Kill the guy in front of you. Kill them all. Walk in northwest. You get 7 second cooldown. Walk in northwest. You get 7 second cooldown. Walk in northwest. Ready, we're gonna engage northwest deep in 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, 1 northwest deep on this choke. Clap this choke. Where's my DPS? Where's my DPS? Where's my DPS? Where's my DPS? Push, 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 push. Push na boss. Push, 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 push. Push, push. Huwag kayo matakot, pre. Huwag kayo magpaiwan dyan. Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. Low health sila, boy. Low health sila, boy. Push it, push it, push it. Huwag kayo matakot, pre. Huwag kayo matakot. Push it, push it. Healer na frontline. Healer na frontline. Walk in artist. Walk in
Wala,
artist. Walk
wala
in artist.
nagtatype
Walk in
ng
artist.
GG. Wala
Walk in
nagtatype
artist.
ng
Walk in
GG.
artist.
Sige,
Walk in
go.
artist. Boy, asan yung healer natin, boy?
GG na daw. GG na daw.
Okay. Patayin niyo pa yung isa, oh. Ayan. Nice.
Di ba tapusin niya? 20 na lang, oh. Patapusin niya na, 20 na lang yun, oh.
Dito tayo mag-fight, bro. Dito tayo mag-fight, bro.
Sabihin nyo partida. Newbie lang kami. Sabihin nyo. Sabihin ninyo.
Okay, we're gonna fight them in this chapter. GA, you can position on the stairs.
Sol, sabihin mo newbie, Sol.
Chop. Turn out, boy. Turn out. Golem. Clamp them now. Golem, clamp them now. Clamp them now. Clamp them now. Golem, clamp them now. Jump. Drop Judy on our backline. Drop Judy on our backline. Walk in northeast. Walk in northeast. Walk in northeast. Walk in northeast. Ready northeast. In 5, in 4, in 3, 2, 1. Not shallow. Look at this clump. Not shallow. Not shallow. Look at their front line. 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 Heal inside. Heal inside. Heal inside. Heal inside. Heal inside, heal inside, heal inside. Tanks, hold them northeast. People, brawl this guy inside of us. Brawl this guys inside of us. Walk in northeast. Huwag kayo magka-separate. Walk in northeast. Walk in northeast. Watch out, matang. Watch out, matang. Watch out. Heal up front. Heal up front. Target. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Watch out. Heal up front. Heal up front. Heal up front. We're ready. We got 7 second cooldown. We got 7 second cooldown. Hold them, GA. GA mo sila daya. GA na din na. Walk in northeast, boys. 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 Walk in northeast. Walk in northeast. Ready. Northeast shallow. In 5, in 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast shallow. Let's go. Northeast shallow. Northeast shallow. Northeast shallow. Northeast shallow. Nice clump.
Tang ina,
Sino yun?
12 kills. 13 si Gato. My God.
Oh, guys, si Gato yung win. Yes, guys.
Okay, yung pinakamaraming patay sa inyo, si
Gato.
si
Ako.
Edie. Si Edie. 4 na deaths. O, Edie, alam mo na.
Si EJ.
Edie, alam mo na, 500k.
Oh,
Ilagay mo na, Edie.
grabe naman. Ba't naman ako yung may pinamataas na assist?
Death.
Nakamuklit ka.
Bakit?
Ay.
Hindi naman assist
Sino na marami nakapatay kay Mokya?
Ang bugo
Ay,
yun?
kay Moika. For si Moy. Oh.
Guys, I recon. Wait lang.
Pwede sumama, may alis ba?
Gagi ba't
Nawala yung party.
May carving na kayo?
Nag-recon ako.
Wala.
wala tayong dito? Uy, may round 2 pa daw, boy.
Nawala yung party. Nawala ako sa party. Sarap talaga yung depth no?
Ganun talaga.
Sino yung natanggal sa party? Ba't puno pa sa akin, gagi?
Dito kayo, Ityan.
Ako nawala ako sa party.
Wala si Slaughter, Easy Boy, Asher, saka si Dre.
Pre, sa akin, nasa party ko sila. Pero
Gray.
paano ba
Gray
to?
name na.
Live ka na.
Pick mo na.
Live ka party.
Live party.
Live ka party ka. Reparty. Invite mo ulit.
Okay, live party everyone. I'll invite you again. Live party everyone. I'm gonna invite you again,
I-keep natin, tsaka isend ko kay Mokya.
Uy, ang ganda. Sino yung di ba Arcadians yung GA? Well